our very own homegrown Olympian, Michael Christian Martinez.
It's an honor to be able to speak to all of you here this afternoon. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for His never-ending grace, mercy, and provision during what ended up to be the best day of my life. Skating and representing the Philippines at the Olympics was a dream come true. I am truly honored to represent our country in the Winter Olympics in Russia. Next, I would like to thank my coach and my mentor, Mr. Manuel Cholo Padillas, who have inspired and motivated me to become better at what I do best. He has been my companion all throughout my journey at Sochi. Thank you for teaching me the many values that I will need throughout my life. To the Philippine Skating Union, the Philippine Olympic Company, and the Philippine Sports Commission, thank you for your continuous support. Thank you for believing in this sport and for encouraging kids like me to pursue what we love. To Mr. Hans T.C. and to the whole SM group, thank you for your generous and for helping me put my dreams into reality. SM has been home to me ever since I was 8 years old. I wouldn't have discovered my interest and love for skating if not for those things, but the vision fascinated me. To the Filipino community, I would also like to extend my gratitude for the support you've shown me. And of course, to my mom and to my family, thank you for always believing in me. And but what I have done in Sochi is the same effort and commitment that our other athletes have done in Summer Olympics. Nothing different. I may be the first who made it into the Winter Olympics, but I'm not the first to represent our country in the world stage. I'm extremely happy with the heroes welcome, but let us not forget all our other athletes' heroes. I therefore share this honor and glory to all the Philippine athletes. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino! Mabuhay ang mga atleta! Thank you.